So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to link your account for consistent user across Meta. So guys, to achieve the consistent username across the Meta platform, so you link your profile with the Meta account center, the synchronization your identity across the Facebook and the Instagram for WhatsApp. So you can then claim the exact name username by linking your account. First of all, link your account via Meta account center. For this, you simply open your Instagram and the Facebook. Okay, like first you open the Facebook. Okay, after that guys, go to the option of account center. So you just click here and guys go for the option of account center. When you move downward, okay, wait a second, and here you go for click here and privacy and security, and guys here you see the option of account. So guys, first of all you go here, then guys go to the option of, here you check the option of privacy. Here you see the option of privacy center, you just click on it. Just wait a second, if it is not open, so again open and click the option of privacy settings. Now guys, here you see this is your privacy settings. In the privacy setting, here you see there is a 1 3 dot, so you just click here. After that, here you see the option of common privacy settings, then you go manage in account center, so you just go here and manage your profile. And here if you find that your Facebook, here you check this is my Facebook, this is my Instagram, and there are some other Meta horizon, and these are my thread. And if you want to add your Facebook and any other account, so you just go for the account and you just choose here add the WhatsApp account and add your Instagram account. So this is the way that you can link via Meta account center. Okay, after that guys, you reserve your username. So guys, for username, simply open the option of WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, simply go to the option of, here you see the option of settings at 3 dot, then guys go to the option of account and click the option of username. Here you create your username using the Instagram and the Facebook. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice